Hi, this is Ellanoor Memorybooks again, and I have a junk journal with me session for you. Here I start my process with picking out some ephemera from my ephemera box. Actually, I got that beautiful box from Victoria Alexandra. She sent the journal in the box to me, so I use this now for all my ephemera. Then I start to printing out some photos that's matching the ephemera. So, okay, let's start. I always use my look into my Flow magazines and my Definite Diary magazines to yeah, I mean they have like the most beautiful papers, of course. So I use the papers as backgrounds or like to use it as pockets. This was this spread is all dedicated to my daughter's sweet 16 birthday party. I organized a surprise party for her, so yeah, of course, I want to document about it, and I save like little bits and pieces from the candies I ordered for her candy table. And I actually have much more paper ephemera for my journal. I wanted to use it, but my daughter she asked me to make an Hello Kitty journal for her, of course, and she want to yeah use it as a photo book and dedicate it to her sweet 16. So I saved like all the other ephemera and like beautiful wrapping paper to make her Hello Kitty journal for her. So I just made a pocket to tuck in the photos in there, and yeah, I will just glue the next photos and the piece of ephemera. I will just glue it on the pages. And I have the hardest time when it comes to covering up beautiful papers, and like at the same time I want to look at the paper. So sometimes it's like too hard for me to decide what to do and where to glue my ephemera, or just yeah use a paper clip and that's all. So, and what I'm doing now, I make a little tag. I glue two photos from the same size, as you saw there, together, and I've made a tag. And here I just use some washi to attach the little like label kind of thing, and so I can, as you can see, I can enjoy both sides. Here I have a piece of wrapping paper. I just couldn't, I just needed a piece of this beautiful butterfly wrapping paper. Actually, of course it was a very big piece of wrapping paper, and of course I will use the wrapping paper for the Hello Kitty journal for my daughter, but I couldn't stand it to use it in my own journal. So I used this as a background for this photo, and I really love my stapler because it's the easiest way to quick to do some quick journaling. And since I can't stand white backgrounds, I just glue some pattern paper on the back and journal something about it. So, and sometime I just annotate whatever about a specific ephemera. Okay, next. This spread is all dedicated to Mother's Day, and what you see here is like just a piece of funny painting for my little daughter. She gave me Mother's Day gift, and she wrapped it in this paper. At school they paint something, and they use it as a wrapping paper. And the only thing I did to this paper, um I used my embossing machine, and that's why you see that little polka dots. Not polka dots, but the dots, to give it some structure. And here I also have some photos from a circus. We went to the circus with the kids, so of course I have some ephemera from the circus. I have the tickets and the flyer and some photos, so I will combine these two on this spread. It was so funny. I didn't it was like a circus in the neighborhood, and I was like, let's go to this circus. Like, what kind of circus is this? But then we were so surprised because they started the circus with dromedary. I mean, like, I saw on the flyer, I saw the dromedary on the flyer, but I didn't know they have actually they will give the show with the dromedary, because I thought I thought that it wasn't allowed to use like animals in the circus anymore. But yeah, of course, but it was fun to watch. At the same time, I don't know, I have like this mixed feelings about it. Yeah, but it was special. Yeah, not special. The word is not special, but the word is we were surprised. Yeah, that's it. And yeah, we had fun. And the rest of this video, it's all about Mother's Day and all the ephemera and the gifts from the gifts I got from my kids. And we had like the yeah, we had a super fun brunch. I organized a brunch at my home, and I have this beautiful tableware, new tableware, and they were very much surprised. Like my mother was very surprised, and my father and my sister. So we ate all together, and then we went to the playground with the kids, and the table setting was like so aesthetic. And yeah, as you can see here, the table setting, I really loved all the new tableware. So yeah, just some extra photos for you. And here I have a bunch of quotes, so I will use the one of the quotes what's like matching for this journal spread, and I chose this quote. It says, let me see, it says something like, live now because it's already, time flies, live now, live at the moment. And I really, that's one of the thing I really love to document some days. And of course, you can look at your photos and your videos you took from a specific days, but for me, it's this extra special when I document it, because then at the moment when I'm journaling about it, then I'm in the moment again, and it's very therapeutic for me to relive the moment. So yeah, that's one reason I love to uh, doing journaling, or yeah, scrapbooking. And then here I have like a bunch of stickers, like too much. Most of the time I don't buy stickers, only those word stickers, but people gave me like stickers all the time. So I set the intention to use my stickers in every journal session, because I don't use them very much, and it's fun. It's fun to use them. Of course, you can decorate the like small, like the white spaces and so on. And that was the end of this journal session already. So here you are. And yeah, I hope you really, really got some inspiration, and to do your own journal session. If you didn't start yet, I hope you will start now. And if you have any questions or comments, then of course, leave the comments and question in the comment section, and I will see you the next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.
I hope you liked the video and journal from Ellanoor Memory Books. And Ellanoor Memory Books. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Subscribe to my channel.
Thank you.
Thank you. I love you. Oh yeah.